let's start with some background. What does Hanai Pet Cremations do?
Hanai is actually Hawaiian. It stands for the informal adoption of one by another. I thought that name was very fitting due to the fact that we do adopt our pets. They are part of the family. So Hanai Pet Cremation is a pet cremation company here in Rochester, Minnesota. We specialize in animals from, say, a goldfish up to a llama, up to 500 pounds.
How big is your business?
So right now, Hanai Pet Cremation is operated by myself and Sue Davis, the co-owner.
What led you and your co-owner to get an equipment loan at First Alliance Credit Union? How was the process of getting the loan?
Yeah, the process with First Alliance Credit Union was an exceptional process for us. We decided to start a business from the ground up during the middle of a pandemic. And I'm sure most lenders and most banks and institutions would either A, not answer their phone, or B, laugh you out of their area, out of their bank. But we were definitely greeted with First Alliance Credit Union. We had several meetings. We sat down. We went over our business plan and our ideas, and it worked very well.
So what did you do? What did you do with the funds that you got from the loan? How did you use them to help your business?
So we received a loan for not only the building, but all the implements that were inside because it was a restaurant. We took those that implement and we sold them at auction, and then we actually have an equipment loan as well through First Alliance that we use in order to purchase our retort, our processing station, and a couple other things like urns.
So I'm reasonably sure I know the answer to this question, but how did getting that equipment help your business?
Well, without the equipment, we definitely wouldn't be in business. We just wouldn't exist. So we are definitely grateful for First Alliance for being able to see through a pandemic, to actually see our need and our desire and our hearts when it came to opening this business and accepting us into the First Alliance family as well.
I'm glad that we could help you out with that. I really am. Yeah, I've got some pets myself, and yeah, I know how important they can be to a family.
Yeah, absolutely.
How has business gone since you opened up, since you got the loan, and since you basically started making yourselves known throughout Rochester?
So business is doing fairly well. We are the new guy on the block, so we have a lot of growing to do, and we have a lot of trust that we need to earn from not only the pet parents, but veterinarians and other people in the industry. We're aware of that, and I think the proof is in the pudding that we offer an exceptional service, and we are definitely adamant and caring and concerned about all that come through our doors.
So another question: How has working with Rosalina been?
I think working with Rosalina is exceptional. You know, she didn't just sign some paperwork and leave us alone. She's quite interested in how we're doing as a business, how we're doing as individuals. She does come over to our site and generally shows a great interest in what we're doing, not just like a site survey, but generally interested in what we're doing and how we're doing. So it's a great relationship.
Well, Gilmore, thank you very much. Thanks very much for sharing your experience, and thank you for choosing First Alliance Credit Union.
Well, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share our story, and thank you for the opportunity, First Alliance, for trusting us and believing in us to help us out in our endeavor.